Idris is traveling to Rome, and I'm standing outside the Mercure Hotel. Yes, and those people in that window is a part of my group tour to Rome, Florence, and Venice. So, take a moment and let me share with you my room review. Let's walk in. This is the reception area. We got nice digs here. Oh, they got a little computer area so you can check in on your flights. Oh, look at the bar. The bar is nice. Hey, those are part of my group tour. Yes, nice. Colorful. Big cute windows. Nice chairs. Mercure Hotel in Rome. Here's the restaurant when it's open. Okay, now let's go upstairs and check out my room. I don't know, y'all. In Rome, y'all, they got such small elevators. You can't get nobody in here but you and the luggage. In Rome, all the hotels got little bitty elevators. Yep. Okay, let's take a look in my room. 212. This is the hallway of the Mercure Hotel. No smoking. And in Europe, you have to put the card key in the wall for the electric to work. That's the only way you can get the TVs on. Yes. Like a big screen TV. Oh, it's a nice little room here. Have a safe. This kind of safe, you have to use your credit card to open and close it. We're only going to be here a couple of nights. Touring Rome, Colosseum. Okay. Nice fresh bed. White sheets. Great white sheets. Let's take a look over in the bathroom. And of course, all across Europe, every toilet has a Dubai, what you call it? Baidu or Dubai? Yeah, I haven't tried it yet. And how the flushing is in the wall. You have to hit. Small tub. Very clean, decorative, very clean. Floors are clean. And of course, there is me in the mirror. Okay. Perfect little room for one. And girlfriend, you know, must have a full-size mirror. And this room has a USB port. However, when you're in Europe, you need a universal plug because they have different plugs than the US. Let me show you. Yeah, see, this is my universal. It gets Europe, UK, Australia, and the US. All right. So just stick it in. Oh, let's check out the refrigerator here at the Mercure Hotel here in Rome. Oh, they got a stock refrigerator. Water, pop. And what is this? Ooh, maybe some kind of ale. A couple of types of juices. Yes. Yes, pretty dainty little room. Well, yes. This is the Mercure Hotel here in Rome. And here's their workout facility. Yeah. It's just enough eating all this fattening Roman food. Lots of pasta, lots of butter, lots of bread. And I just want to share with you what the gym looks like here at the Mercure Hotel in Rome. Breakfast in the morning. So this is my room review here at the Mercure Hotel here in Rome.